Wow, look at this, we're in Turkey. This is ready to go, yeah?
Yeah, coconut.
Coconut. Yes, people, so good vibes, so big up yourself. This is where we are. Yes, people, this is Turkey, you know. This coming like Jamaica, look a park. Okay, we said this is like a gully, you know. Yeah, man, but we're just walking now. Yes, everybody, we just come back into the hotel. I was gonna show you the food that's on menu today.
Yeah, this is a medicine tea, you know. When you come to Turkey, you have to drink the medicine tea.
You can easily be lost when it comes to food, you know, not know where to start, especially when there's so much options and so much in there.
Ginseng, ginger, cinnamon, galanga, clove, nutmeg, eucalyptus. It doesn't need. Men need it.
We're going to walk through and we're looking for some food right now, people, so a good vibe. So at the moment, I still got an empty plate. I'm wondering where I should start, but like I asked the guy earlier if he had some fish. I think I'm going to start off with some fish. If you ask me what half these things are, I probably won't have a clue, but I'll be tasting and telling you guys what the things them taste like. So.
Rainbow drink with vodka, please. Which one? Rainbow drink with vodka.
Chef Ricardo,
Yeah.
I'm a first drink this, you know, but it's not an alcoholic one. So big man, is this our taxi?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. All right, so I've got all my itinerary people here, so a good vibes gonna go.
Right. Block number 4, floor number 4.
Okay, block
Okay, thank you.
Yes, block 4, floor 4.
44405.
One love to each and every one of you watching. A good vibes. Everything looks so nice and, you understand, presentable. Yes, everybody, so a good vibes. I ain't told you guys about this one because it was like literally a lastminute.com. You understand, people, but big up yourself. But on the journey, some things are gonna happen in the duration of the next 7 days. Big up the man himself, yeah, man.
Chef Ricardo, you don't know you go already.
Yeah,
sleep on the plane.
Well, we
Yeah, I tell you.
people, you have to give Chef Ricardo a round of applause.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, give Chef Ricardo a round of applause because guess what Chef Ricardo do for Ringo Vision right now, people, yeah, because we're not in England again, you know? No, we're not in England again. Miss me when you come and show you where I go on. Alright, we're in one different place, people. I will go outside. Me and Chef Ricardo, I will talk to you guys and make you know where I go on, but a good vibes, people, big up yourself. It was a long flight, but we're there now. That is it. See me back again in about a couple minutes. I'll get the back there, man. Yes, people, so good vibes, so big up yourself. This is where we are. You understand? There's the man himself right now. There's the man himself right now. Chef Ricardo, where are you? I get a taxi?
Yeah, definitely. We're gonna grab a taxi. No. I grab a taxi and do a few bits and pieces.
Look who are going to sunlight, because we want to just feel look at piece of sunlight.
I say, look a bit of sun.
Yes.
Yeah, good vibes. We go down there.
Yes.
And eat. Oh, no cap.
Yes, people, so big up Chef Ricardo, because look, what it is now, there's a lot been going on in Croydon, people, yeah?
Oh, no. We just have to block him. So we're not gonna...
we're recording some stuff first.
We're recording.
Making a video. We're making video.
Okay.
Yeah, we're making video. Thank you, yeah?
Yeah. We have one on this already.
Thank you.
Somebody waiting on it.
Yes, people, look, there's... Everybody want to give you a taxi now, Chef Ricardo, and you don't know who is who.
I
so you have to just take your time when you come at them places and no rush.
A turkey with them.
Yes.
You have to know what you're doing, you know?
All right, people, yeah, one love to each and every one of you. So look, Chef Ricardo said, Ringo, we need to carry you on this trip here with me because there's a lot going on with you in Croydon. So Chef Ricardo just out of the blue, you know, people just sponsor Ringo Vision and say, Ringo, just forward on the trip.
Yeah, for real, man. For real, I'm glad you come Ringo Vision because you don't know what happened.
Yes.
I'm see what I go on.
Yes.
I'm going to say, yo, come man, just take a break from this, brother.
Yeah, for real.
You understand? Different kind of energy.
Yeah, soup, Chef Ricardo, look on the song, man.
That's what I'm saying. You know what I mean? Something different. I'm glad you come.
Yeah, man, I'm good vibes.
But listen, make us see if we can find like a cheap cab.
Yeah.
You understand?
All right, people. Alright people, so we're there man, we're in Turkey. Look out for it. Chef Ricardo bring Ringo Vision to Turkey, so you know that I'm bringing a mission over here with me, yeah? I'm gonna try and feed people, I'm gonna try and go to the market, try and go to the community where we can get in touch with the locals them and find out. You understand, people look a bit more about the place, but this is where we're at right now people, yeah? We're in Antalya International Terminal 2. Understand? So we're in at the place people, Turkey, we're there. One love to each and every one of you that's on the journey right now people. Wow, look at the mountain behind us. Nice landscape behind us people. So yeah man, I'm looking forward for this trip here. You understand? The mission continues. We have 1 million people for feed out here, you know people. So let's just keep going. You understand? Let's keep spreading the love. Let's keep spreading the awareness. You understand? I just want to thank everybody that's been coming in, that's been helping me on the journey as well, especially what's happening in Croydon right now and them issuing the ban. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you that's been supporting us, you understand, that's been looking out, that's been trying to get the ban lifted and also been pushing the journey, you understand, because we have 1 million people for feed and let's just keep the thing going people, yeah. It's a very, very good vibes. We just Turkey right now, so we're just gonna make it happen here in Turkey people, yeah, and bring the mission here to Turkey, understand? Right now we're just looking for taxi. Everybody's a taxi driver, but you understand, you know, when you go away we have to try to get the right taxi driver to get the right price. Are good vibes. So big man, is this our taxi?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. How you doing, boss? You alright?
20 pound. Hadi bak.
Thank you very much, yeah? Thank you. You jump in, chef car. We're yeah. Alright. A chef Ricardo and Ringo Vision this, you know, so when you look out for we, man, and we have a taxi driver here, so people. Yeah. Yes. 1 second, big man. So let me come in. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, man.
Excuse me, which hotel?
Laura Beach.
Lara Beach. Okay. Thank you.
Everybody saw good vibes. The flight was alright, you know. I tried to sleep as much as I could sleep still. You understand? I can't wait to come and show you guys a little bit of Turkey, show you guys the food, the environment, the culture. You understand? We want to definitely see what the culture is like over here. You understand? And we want to check and see if there's homelessness here in Turkey as well, people. Yeah. You understand? If there's poverty here. And how it's different to the UK as well, people. So it's a good trip. So we're gonna try to look at every little thing: food, sleeping, drinking. Where is it, Chef Ricardo? In the gym.
Yeah.
Look at exercise as well.
For real, man.
Yeah, man. And enough eating.
For real, man.
That is it, people. So
some food and stuff, you know?
Yeah. Good vibes.
The most important thing, we're glad you come because, you know what I mean? That's one of the things I was just...
No, Chef Ricardo, I'm glad you put me forward for the trip, because if you didn't put me forward to the trip, I'm in England right now, I'm under attack.
No.
Sometimes I have to retreat.
For real, man. For real.
Yeah. So people, Chef Ricardo just said, Ringo, retreat right now, retreat. We're not surrender, you know. But we are retreat because sometimes when you're under enemy attack, you know, you have to duck for cover. Yeah, because it's like we're on the battlefield, people here up at Croydon there. You understand? Now we come under heavy enemy attack, people. So we have to duck for cover.
Yeah.
And go back on training. A training ground, we're going back on Chef Ricardo. Ringo Vision going back on training ground because guess what I go on? The people them come out with some special equipment them. I'm not trying to get rid of the people. So Ringo Vision now have to take some time out. So him can analyze the special move where people make so that we can come back in the right manner, the right fashion people here.
Definitely.
One of the things when the people must say Ringo Vision must do, Chef Ricardo, is set up a charity.
Yeah.
And set up a CIC. Because then say, if me set up a charity, me come out and the council can't say nothing. Because it's a charity.
Yeah.
But if me just myself,
Yeah.
I go get a fight from time to time.
back and forth.
Back and forth.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Right.
yes,
Yeah,
people,
yeah.
we are gonna try to do the right thing and try to do it in the right way, because guess what, go on. You know, I support Ringo Vision, and Ringo Vision I support you guys as well. So you see the positive comments them and what you guys are saying we must do. We are gonna try it out, but I gonna take a look a bit of time, people, because we don't really know much about it. So we have to, you understand?
Yeah. Take a time and build it around it.
Yeah, and get to understand the logistics of charity, the logistics of CIC. I don't know too much about it myself. So, yeah, man, if there's anybody that's been watching, that's been supporting, that can bring us through the right channel and the development process to complete this and then get the people them away from we, make them take back them band paper and them because we want to give back them band paper and we want to give back them paper to the people them, you understand? And tell them say, you take back this, you understand? Good vibes.
Yeah, it's all done, man. It's all happen, 100%. But there,
A good
you
vibes.
understand? But there are people and, you know what I mean, Ringo Vision, the most important thing, I'm glad. You make yourself available for the say, you know, I record it now, chef record now, come with it.
Yes.
Yeah, I understand, so it's a good look.
A good look, man. Come here. We look on the place now, chef, because even it kind of remind me a look a bit like the Caribbean of the ways. Look. Yeah, you say place.
Yeah.
Mall that over there, so you know.
Yeah.
Backside, you know.
Yeah, it's reminded like in the Caribbean sea.
Yeah, like backside when you go to Kingston and then.
Yeah.
I'm sure no I talk about people because I can't see them. I'm sure no.
True, man. Yeah, man, for real.
Yeah, people, so Turkey look like a nice place, you know, car sun out. You can see that there's a lot of development going on in the place, car look. You just look out through the car window and just as you say, a whole heap of development that go on in the place, people, so good vibes.
Yeah, man.
It's a warm country as well, so that's a good change. So we're there, so and it's nice and warm. You understand, people? I'm spinning on the camera so I can just show you guys a local view. So just taking a local view. You understand, people? Are good vibes.
In the Flora.
Man.
I've been there before.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Time.
Wow, look at this, people. I don't know if it's a hotel or if it's
Where are
a
you from?
temple.
From London.
But it look good.
Original?
We're Jamaican, but we live in London.
Jamaican coming to Turkey. Yeah, Jamaicans in Turkey. Nice place. It reminds like home. The temperature, how the place look, you know.
Yeah.
Still under development. I can't wait to try the food. The food.
Yeah, the food's supposed to.
The taxi driver don't speak much English, people, so him not really to understand, but a good vibes, man. Delphine Imperial. I will tell this chef Ricardo.
Yeah, man. That's a Vegas stay.
Over there, sir.
Yeah. That's a hotel and a normal hotel.
Over there, sir.
Yeah, man.
Alright, a good vibes. And it's a Delphine Palace over there, so our next hotel.
Yeah.
Come like a build one over there, so do. I'm zooming, make people see what I go on. Mad. Jelly, coconut water, and all sort of sitting out this one, Chef Ricardo.
Yeah. There are some bad
Turkish tea.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna try all of them sitting there, man. Turkish tea, Turkish dinner. We're right here, people, yeah. That is it, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Good, man. I want goat that Mr. Chef Ricardo.
Is it?
You swear it's a goat?
Is that good?
Yeah, it look like it. A nice vibes then, man. Papa, banana tree.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you very much, big man. Thank you very much, yeah? Thank you. Yes, people, so we just reached to our place where we're staying right now. Like I said, big up Chef Ricardo, because Chef Ricardo banged me on this trip. And he said, Ringo, I'm going to sponsor you to come on this trip because there's a lot going on in the UK. Understand? And I was like, you are for real, Chef Ricardo? I was like, yeah, man, Ringo, man, I'm boy, man, come in, man, I carry you with me if you want to forward. You understand? So, yeah, man, we're over here, people, so good vibes. I'm at my resort right now. You understand? So we're just going to check in quickly and then go to the next stage. I can't wait to start walking around and showing you guys around Turkey, people, yeah? Reception time. A good vibes. Reception.
Yeah, check-in time and thing, yeah, man.
Yeah.
You don't know it go already.
Alright, so I've got all my itinerary, people, yeah? So, a good vibes. Gonna go to my room. I'm gonna show you guys the room. And that's time me and Chef Ricardo are gonna go up now and then we're gonna come downstairs and get some food. We're in Antalya, Turkey, people, yeah? Big up yourself. One love to each and every one of you. Yes, a good vibes. Yes, people, so good vibes. Yeah, the people them are welcome, so welcoming in here. You understand? Yeah, look, they got swimming pool out here. It's a bit chilly. Good vibes. Like I said,
Inside the 2 building. After the doctor office, right. Block number 4, floor number 4.
Okay, block
Okay,
number
thank
4.
you.
What is that?
Yes, block 4, floor 4.
44405.
405 room number. Sorry.
oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
All right.
Chef Ricardo, yes, over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, tell everybody say welcome to Turkey, yeah, man.
Welcome. You don't know anything going on.
Yeah, because we're there, you know, Chef Ricardo, so we have to welcome the people in Turkey, you know, because if you've never been to Turkey, people, yeah, we're here.
Yeah, man.
And we're going to check out the country and all the nice things that the country's got to offer, especially the food. Because we're here on a look of food vibes as well, you understand? It's so important that we can taste almost everything that the country's got to offer to eat and drink, you understand? Because we want to give you guys also the experience as well. You understand? It's all about the food, different tastes, different flavors. You understand? Even to find out what Turkey's national dishes. In Chef Ricardo?
Definitely.
To eat like a traditional dish from Yaso. Same way too.
For real.
So you see the hotel at Chef Ricardo? We want to say quickly, because I want to talk to you people, you know. And what them say to me say, this is black Yaso, this is black Yaso, this is black Yaso, that the black this, this is black Yaso, that the black this, that. I will like a hotel.
Yeah.
How you say to me say? So that's why them that say me could under Yaso and you could under we over there, so.
Yeah.
But we're in the same proximity. Good vibes. We have swimming pool as well, you know, people, so we can come down and do a little bit of swimming as well.
Yeah.
We got big water slide coming like it turn off because, you understand? It's winter over here, you know, but it's hot right now. It's winter time, but it's kind of hot. Yeah, for winter, can't go wrong. When I'm looking at the pool, yeah, people, because, you know, say, Ringo Vision just want to see how deep it is. It's empty still. For summer? Yeah.
You know?
The key worker, we'll go inside, you know. Turn on the light and then start sitting there quickly. That's where I go on, because we're there in a place. I have to put in, that is it. Come in, Chef Ricardo. So, yes, people see that's how yes, Ringo Vision is stay. The environment, what's the curtain, Chef Ricardo? You want to make some light coming in place, man. Oh, you have balcony as well, no, Chef?
Yes, eh? Yeah. There's balcony. No, I think you're gonna have to fly the lock.
Okay, but a good vibe, a good feeling of balcony there. Yes, people, big up yourself. So, yeah, man, Ringo Vision, this is where I am for the next couple of days. And next time we're going to be venturing out into Turkey, people, yeah, with Chef Ricardo. We're going to show you where I go on. One love to each and every one of you. Big up yourself. A good vibes. That is it. Yes, everyone. So, yeah, man, I'm just here for the next duration of the next few days, people, yeah. So, let me just check and see my place. So, yeah, man.
You're not going downstairs now?
No, right now. See, wardrobe, yeah. Alright. I got iron in my wardrobe. I got a safe in my wardrobe. You understand? I'll show you guys everything. It's the bathroom. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna be having showers, not baths, alright? A good vibes. That is it. Yeah, man. So I'm here, people. Open this door. We try the door next time, but yeah, man, this is outside people. Yeah, one love to each and every one of you. Big up yourself. Our good vibes.
Rainbow drink with vodka, please. Which one? Rainbow.
Chef Ricardo.
Yo.
I'm first drink this, you know, but it's not an alcoholic one.
Yeah,
it's just like a fruit punch.
Fruit punch.
I'm not gonna say cocktail because
Yeah.
I say like a fruit punch. The one, yeah.
Fruit punch.
Yeah, man, a good vibes.
That's some of the one the woman picking over that side.
Okay. Yes, people. So look, we're on the roadside now, me and Chef Ricardo. So we're gonna take a look at walk through town. But big up yourself, people. Yeah, we're here in Turkey. You need to go and check out the videos them and stay tuned because we have a lot of things to show you over the next few days. You understand? The mission continues as well. We're trying to feed the people them said way.
Yeah.
You understand? We're trying to reach out to the community over here as well. And guess what, go on? We'll try to eat as much food as we can eat while we're there, you know. Try all of the dish them with them have you, so. You understand, people? A good vibe. Listen, Chef Ricardo, make a walk.
Definitely.
Alright, everyone. Thank you very much. Just stay tuned. You understand? I just wanted to show you guys where I am and what's going on right now. Yeah, man. So we're at Turkey right now, people. Yeah. So yeah, just stay tuned for the next few days and look out for what's to come in Turkey. They said that this hotel over there is one of the best hotels here in Turkey. So next time if I come to Turkey, I must Delphine Diva. You must go and try it out one at a time too. Alright, but a good vibes, people. Big up yourself. Turkey with there. That is it. Wow, look at this over in Turkey. This is ready to go, yeah?
Yeah,
Coconut. So this is how it is, people, here in Turkey. Look, coconut, like the fruits, them. A good vibes with there. Ice cream as well. So we're just gonna start walking around town right now. Yeah, man, Turkey. Seem alright. Ain't seen nothing yet, ain't been nowhere yet. But we're going to walk through and we're looking for some food right now, people. So a good vibe.
Some close for you.
Who that?
One of my friend. I think we know which spot.
Yes, people, this is Turkey, you know. This coming like Jamaica, local park. Okay, we said this is like a gully, you know. Yeah, man, but we're just walking out. It's my first day coming out of the hotel and just taking a little walk through the town, people. Yeah, just seeing what's what. Me and Chef Ricardo up on the road. Yeah, man, our good vibes.
You come.
Just arrived.
Yes.
You could write me. I have transferred from airport to here, everywhere.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh.
You didn't know. Oh my God.
Yes, people, so our good vibes. Chef Ricardo's got some people here that remember him from the last time that he come here. So yeah, man, our good vibes. But this is like a little shopping mall here.
Where is it? This is my friend, man. This is
Preparing electronics. And I have an open new shop, tech shop is there.
So yeah, this is a good vibes, people. We're in Turkey. We get some good hospitality here. I'm gonna have a Turkish tea, everybody here. So big up yourself. I've just come to into a shopping mall right now. Yeah, man. Like I said, I'll just be walking around and just browsing Turkey, just seeing this nice place. The place is a very nice place, furthermore. You understand? I like it. I'll just be walking around, people. I'll be looking for food. I'll be looking for nice things. I'll be showing you what I see at the same time as well. But big up everybody that's on the journey with me. Yeah, man, I'm just taking a look at browse right now while I'm waiting for my Turkish tea, people, yeah? That is it, our good vibes.
Yeah, this is a medicine tea, you know. When you come to Turkey, you have to drink the medicine tea. This fight against everything in your immune system by high blood pressure, diabetic, heart attack, strokes. You fight against everything. If you have sugar, you get rid of sugar. If you got cancer, you fight against it. Everything what you can ever think of. This is what we drink when we come to Turkey. If you come to Turkey and not drinking this tea, we call it the medicine tea. You got at least probably about 50 to 60 different ingredients in it. Minerals.
Yes.
So when it works effective. All right, you go down into your immune system, get rid of all of that thing which is keeping you not to make you function the way you're supposed to function.
That's your nucleus.
And all that thing.
That's where I'll start to sit where I clog up your system.
For a very long time.
Yeah, good vibes.
So that's why we drink this when we come to Turkey. Here it is. Yeah.
Explain.
Yeah.
There is a 39 selection in it.
Yeah.
Ginseng, ginger, cinnamon, galanga, clove, nutmeg, eucalyptus leaf, carob, mint, thyme.
Oregano, nettle seed, flax seed, black cumin, peganum seed. You understand? People have everything in this one. Somebody name them, I can't even pronounce them. See, Chef Ricardo, I drink it off here right now.
Yeah.
Let me get
banana.
Regional ginseng is in it.
Can I have one?
Yes, of course, I do.
Ginseng.
Okay, thank you.
Ginseng is like Viagra.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Turkey, me they give thanks and praise to the Most High, Jah Rastafari. You don't know, say God is the creator of the universe now, and I'm blessed with this tea. You understand? And I have to take it, you know, in the right way, Chef Ricardo. So.
You want to sniff it like this, like you're sniffing it, and get that inner interaction with the nose.
Yes.
On it, and that thing make it work very effective back into your immune system, going into your stomach. And it is working and generating the immune system to cleanse up the immune system. So once you sniff it like this, you're getting stuff to inject into your immune system for it to go down into your immune system, and it just keep working in your immune system.
Wow.
It doesn't need. Men need it. The lady like this, the men must work.
Yes, everybody, we just come back into the hotel. I'm going to show you the food that's on the menu today. You understand? Our good vibes, big up yourself. There's so much food, it's a buffet. So much different choices, people. But I'm going to take my time. I'm going to take my time and just go through the menu today. Look, they've got chips, they've got chicken nuggets. This is more like an English style right here. And then we go over here. Do you have fish on the menu?
Yes.
Can you show me? Can you lift it for me, please? Thank you. Okay, what is sea bass? Sea bass?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Chef Ricardo, they have some fish on the menu as well, you know, so. Yeah, you have to take your time and just come on and just, you understand? Yes, everybody, big up yourself. So I'm gonna go and get myself a plate. I'm gonna just tuck myself in, people, yeah. I'm just gonna try some dishes never eaten a meal yet in Turkey. I think it'll be quite good to just have the first experience and just try food out in a Turkey. Now, true, Chef Ricardo,
Definitely, I can try something.
I see a whole heap of things on the menu I never see before. And then see them more I can try some things that I never tried before. You ever tried that? Alright, people, yeah, if you see anything that you like on the menu, just let me know. I'm just going to browse through and just show you what's on the menu, everybody, yeah. So one love to each and every one of you watching. Our good vibes. Everything looks so nice and, you understand, presentable. If you ask me what half these things are, I probably won't have a clue, but I'll be tasting and telling you guys what the things them taste like, so our good vibes. I think this section here is like a fresh vegetable section, so it's got like grapes, gherkin, olives, tomatoes, carrots, beetroot. It actually smells absolutely amazing in this section, because you know, like fresh produces, there's nothing better than when you can smell fresh ingredients, fresh fruits and vegetables. You understand, people? Yeah, man, let me just keep showing you what I want. We're there, so with our turkey, my first meal here in Turkey, everybody. So here we've got apples, orange, plums, bananas, all sorts. That's a grapefruit. Nice little dessert section, everybody. So good vibes. Just a little bit just a little bit of information that the hotel is providing, so good vibes. You understand? Okay, this seems like an environment here as well where you can come out and sit down and eat your dinner as well, people, yeah. Absolutely like what I see so far. The people them here in Turkey are so pleasant. And I noticed that even the hotel, even the resort here has got their own cat running up and down. I've seen quite a few home cats just running up and down. Look at the people are just getting their food. So we've got people here in this hotel from all over the world. We're here from London, originally from Jamaica, but you don't know where I've gone. We come here to try all the dishes that they got on offer. So I'm here for a few days, so I'll be munching in and tucking in, people, yeah. I'll make sure that I show you guys everything that's on the menu. You can't get better than live cooking, people, especially when food's been cooked right in front of you. What's better than that? Wow. Amazing to feel the smell, the flavours. That is it, a good vibes, you know. So at the moment, I still got an empty plate. I'm wondering where I should start, but like I asked the guy earlier if he had some fish. I think I'm gonna start off with some fish, something light with some vegetables, you understand? And then I'll come back up and keep trying the menus that they've got here in the hotel as well. But they've got so much different variety of food here at this hotel. I don't know where to start. I'm gonna start off with the fish today, people, yeah, good vibes. I think I kind of like found what I'm looking for. Is that a trout? Like a rainbow trout? The fish?
The fish,
Yeah, what name is it?
The name is
This one? I think this is a trout, but here in Turkey they got like a different... Okay. So what's actually happening over there, some fresh vegetables are being cooked up. And I think I'm gonna wait for some fresh vegetables and some fish, people, yeah, a good vibes, everything looks absolutely amazing. You can easily be lost when it comes to food, you know, not know where to start, especially when there's so much options and so much in your face as well. But you see me, I'm gonna take my time today, people, yeah. All I'm doing right now is my first day here at the hotel, and I'm just looking around and seeing what they've got here. Understand, this gentleman here is making, excuse me, what's this one called? It's not a pizza, garlic bread?
No pizza.
Garlic bread? I don't think he really understood what I was talking about. I was asking him if it's pizza or what it's called. He said no pizza tomorrow. But we're not going to stress it too much. Yes, people, so our good vibes are finally reached, you understand? We're at another destination. The mission continues, people, yeah. Just stay tuned with the stories, them. I'm outside with Chef Ricardo, you know. The man himself. A good vibe. Yes, people, so look, literally I just got a very simple menu. It's got a lot of greens on there, so a little bit of mashed potato, 2 fish, some olives, and a bit of greens, some chips, a spoon of rice, some beetroot, and we're just gonna tuck in, people, yeah, first meal here in Turkey, so our good vibes here with Chef Ricardo said way. You understand? So Chef Ricardo, all the meal where you just have, you enjoy it?
Yeah, it's a chickpea curry.
Yes.
Really nice.
So you know it again?
Still I think about it.
You know, seem like a man who can really throw down food.
Like the drink?
Hot pepper.
Drink it.
Or drink water.
Water, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yes, people, look, it was a long day. The flight, everything. I'm getting in bed right now. Well, I'm in bed. Yeah, man, I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to be on the road tomorrow. You understand, people just venturing out in Turkey. Just big up yourself, everybody, you understand? Because we're there up on the mission, said way. I'm going to get some rest. And then, yeah, we're going to be out. Like I said, I'm going to try my best to see if we can feed some people here in Turkey. So far, I've asked if there's a homeless community over here. I've not really got much feedback about it yet, but I'm gonna be venturing out tomorrow and doing my own little research anyway. You know how the thing go already, people. Yeah, big up yourselves until next time. With Dayasa, with Dar Turkey, good vibes. I'm gonna get some rest and just look out for all the videos that's gonna be coming out in Turkey, people. Yeah, one love. That is it. Good vibes.